Good afternoon, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. Internet is product of scientists, is product of, sorry, the internet is product of scientists in technology side. Okay, today, our motion for today is, these moms believe that internet bring more harms than good. As the first speaker from side 2 has explained us about the motion, but they misunderstood about the motion because of what they lost the best point of their explanation. It means they misunderstood about the motion and they killed the argument by themselves. I'm staying here. I want to be clear with the motion. So, ladies and gentlemen, when the point is running out, let's come back to the motion. As I told you before, internet is product of scientists and technology side. And who is the user of internet? The first speaker from affirmative team not told us. So the user of internet is the teachers, student, civil person, banker, and another. And now, as far as we know, the internet has positive side and negative side in the society nowadays. So what is the problem faced by the society nowadays about the internet? And we know together the problem that using internet by students it have a problem. So let me to clear the motion. And internet function of internet is go to connect a person and another person from a long distance. The first speaker from affirmative speaker has said before that the student use the internet is not protected from unpolite videos. Yes. About unpolite video, most of us has known that Indonesia, our national, our country, our nation, have censor institute. Censor institute is cleaning about the films, about the comic, and about the other. And what is the result of censor institute? Censor institute will censor or will choose what is something is a polite or unpolite, or something will be able or unable show in the internet. And now about the unpolite videos, it's all or the unpolite video is according to parent guidance. How far the parent guidance their child, how far the parent give their child about the religion, science, and about the other. For what? For what the parent give them about the science, it's to protect them from the unpolite thing. And then, the first speaker from affirmative team saying about the game. The game are including or the game are content violence in here. The game are content violence. He has given us an example like Pamela and the other. I don't want to talk about Pamela, but I just want to talk about the game. It is violence, and I want to say that once more. It's all just about parent guidance. Because of why? Because the game it's just go to play by smartphone or by laptop. So most part the parent keep their son. I will give you a small example. When the parent give them the smartphone, or when the parent buy for them the new smartphone, whose smartphone they give it? The new or the smartphone it have level, high level, standard, and low level. For the example is Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go is never be played by the low level of smartphone. So when the parent give their son the low level of smartphone, it means they will skip their son from something unpolite thing. And then the first speaker from affirmative team don't told us the student what they play. Where is the student get the internet using? In the school or in the other? And then let's come to my argument. For the first, my argument is about final exam computer. That's the reason I prove. When our government has the final exam by paper, it will spend big donation. It means our national budget will decrease because of why? Because nowadays, when government want to help the final exam by paper, it will spend about $15 billion, 15 billion rupiah. And it is not content how to give the way or how to give the same run for teacher and the other. It will spend money or much of money. So ladies and gentlemen, we could to imagine or we could to think when the government use or help the final exam by computer, it means for the first, the student will know, will understand how to use computer. Because of what? Because there is many students are live in village, they not yet understand about the computer and about the internet. When the government use or help the final exam by computer, in the other side, government will teach them. It is about the internet, it is about computer. Internet not just have negative side, but the internet has many positive side. Because of what? Because it is an example. The government could to use the or could to have the final exam, and it will betray our money country or our money supply. Ladies and gentlemen, when our money supply is betrayed or not, it may not decrease. It means we go to pay our big debt. And then from the internet, the student got to learn how to be a good learner. Because of what? Because it is according to Dr. Alvin, teenagers, Ajay, Satan, and the car. And it will prove us. Both for the internet, give the big dream or give the good dream. Because of what? Because it is the small example that happened around us. Alvin, yes. That's about me, thanks.